You want the peanuts. Who wants the peanut? Oh, you want the peanuts. Oh, he's a honey roasted planter peanut eater, aren't you? And look at this guy. He's coming over like, what's going on? He's eating peanuts out of your hand. And look at the little babies. Yeah. Do you want peanuts? You want some peanuts? Come on. No? Don't be shy. You like them? Not so good? I know some of you guys like different things. Not all ducks like everything the same. I found that out. Just like with people. Okay. How about a few... These aren't really good for you. It's like, you know, gluten, like with humans, but I know you like it. Some of you guys like the crackers. Yes, you do like the crackers. Yeah, who wants a cracker over here? You want a cracker? You want a cracker? No? Oh, we have territorial rights. You guys want crackers? Yeah? Good girl. Oh, good girl. He's eating the cracker. Okay. Okay. I'll give a few more crackers out to you guys. Here, crackers. Crackers. Whoops. Up. Here we have the pecking order. Oh, look at this. Look at that. You guys, you get into little wrestling tournaments with each other. What are you so jealous about? There's enough food for everybody. Everybody gets to eat. So don't say I eat first, you can't eat, and all that baloney. Here we go. How humans interact and change behavior. That sounds very speciesistic-ism. Just a joke, folks. I'm not going to tell the ducks what to do and how to act. Just using comic humor. Oh, how cute those little babies are. Hey, babies. Here, babies. Yeah. You like the popcorn? You're a popcorn eater? How do you like that ice water I got for you? Yeah. Clear ice water. Much better than this hot pond water that's been dried out. Okay. I'm going to get home and have my own dinner. It is, like I said, it's probably 6:15 or 6:30 at this moment. Not quite 6:30. I'll get home and eat. Some other things happening for company later on. Have a great night. Ciao. I should say a great day on this 22nd day of June, where the sun is setting 1 minute earlier now each day. It sets a minute earlier, but hey, yesterday was the longest daylight hours of summer. Today's the second longest daylight of hours. Not too bad. Not too bad. Ducks seem to like it too. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Oh, there's Big Boy. They bossed this poor little duck around. Don't let him have some peanuts. Come here, Big Boy. I know you like the peanuts. I know. You've eaten them out of my hand plenty of times. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's such a good boy. Here, take a few for the road. That's a cut. There's more ducks coming from the other areas of the development here.